Thank you very much. Have a nice day. It's gonna be done over. Oh, looks like somebody's here. Hello.
We're here to fix the toilet.
That was fast.
Yeah, we're totally not a company that isn't fake and didn't break your toilet in the first place.
Come here, I'll show you the way. Come up, follow me.
This is the way.
So you guys can start by doing what you need to do.
Well, I'll start by pushing you guys out because I need to go. Well, we're finished with the toilet. Did you break anything else to make sure he calls us back so we get more money?
Yes, sir. I broke the water pipe.
Ooh.
Looks like the water pipe's broken. Could you guys come back and fix that another day? Thank you. I'm gonna go get some shut-eye. If you guys can fix the water pipe, I'll pay you even more.
Of course.
Wanna watch some TV?
Is that even a question?
Oh, this TV is very interesting. Wonder what they're doing. Well, I don't know. You hear that? Are you coming? It's coming! Turn on the TV!
What's going on here?
Oh, don't you worry. I have a plan. Yes, I have a plan.
Why is the TV on?
You are dreaming. You are dreaming.
Yeah, you're in a coma.
You're in a home. Okay. So, enter. Yeah. Coma. In your dream, you will hand us your money. Yes. Oh, I think I got my toothpick over there. I need to go get it. You're this is so funny. Oh, just like the other one. Are you ready? Let's go.